ooh la la. Just look at that baby for a second. And the reflectiveness as well from those metallics. Absolutely gorgeous. See my window there, all that light coming in, but absolutely stunning. So we do have some hints of a floral design. I've got some leaves kind of there, which was intentional. I didn't want this to be floral, but I wanted some hints there of patterns. Okay, love, 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 love. The blending of these colors, it's just harmony in a box. The neutral metallics together in any variation are absolutely stunning. And this whole painting, besides the Naples yellow, is metallics. And here again, I've shown you guys in other videos different ways to create patterns. And if you haven't seen that, just look at how stunning just the palette knife. As long as your paint isn't too thick or too thin, you'll get those beautiful impressions that somewhat almost kind of resemble branch. You could use them as branches. Again, it's abstract, so it's nothing that is realism. And again, I almost feel like mountains here. And I wanted the lines to be very curvy. I could have just did curves, but I wanted them to be really wavy in pattern because I knew I wanted this very simplistic. And the pattern and flow of piping, which I'm going to do a lot more of because I absolutely love it. It's so fun, and there's so many ideas that I have in my head to do with it. And really easy way for me to create a lot of elegant designs too easily. So I'm very, very, very happy with all of the elements. Love my little dots that I usually make with my precision tip. And then here, as you guys saw, I made the dots and then kind of swiped over them. But I am in love with every section of this painting. It really just makes me so happy. So once again, guys, thank you for joining me today. If you are here and you're not subscribed, please do so. Like, share, stay tuned for the quick close-up, and I'll see you all in the next painting.